Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Perfect Pixel extension. First, open your browser's web store, like the Chrome Web Store. Search for Perfect Pixel and click the Add to Chrome button. A small pop-up will ask for confirmation. Simply click Add Extension to complete the installation. This process usually takes only a few seconds, making it quick and easy to get started with precise design adjustments. Once installed, click the Perfect Pixel icon in your browser's toolbar to open its interface. You can then upload your design image, typically a PNG or JPG file, by dragging it directly into the extension window or using the file browser. After loading, use the opacity slider, usually found at the bottom, to set the overlay's transparency. A setting around 50% often works well for comparing your design with the live web page. To align your design, use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Each press moves the overlay by 1 pixel, allowing for very precise positioning. For larger adjustments, hold down the Shift key while pressing the arrow keys to move the design by 10 pixels at a time. You can also scale your design using the zoom controls, ensuring it perfectly matches the dimensions of your live web page for accurate comparison. Perfect Pixel offers several advanced features to streamline your workflow. You can quickly toggle the overlay's visibility on and off with a single click, which is great for rapid comparisons. The Invert feature can highlight discrepancies between your design and the live page by inverting colors. Remember to save your overlay's position and settings, especially if you are working on the same page across multiple sessions, saving you valuable time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.